Loose skin after losing weight? 7 tips to firm up. Having loose skin after losing weight is very common when the weight loss is very quick and your skin doesn't have time to adapt to your new shape. Whether you like it or not, it happens, especially in the arms and abdomen. To prevent it while still losing those extra pounds, it's important to stay away from very restrictive diets and instead lose body fat the healthy way, with exercise, a balanced diet, and no rush. But if for some reason you still have loose skin and you don't want surgery, we have good news for you. You can firm up your skin by following a few tips. However, always keep in mind, you'll have to exercise and eat much better. Eat enough protein. You might think our first tip for treating loose skin would be to eat more fruits and vegetables. Well, you do need to nourish your skin if you want to firm it up, and the best nutrient for the job is protein, whether plant-based or animal-based. However, opting for lean protein is key. It's healthier and is better for improving the loose skin problem. These are your best options. Salmon, chicken or turkey breast, eggs, oats, spinach. Drink plenty of water. It's not about getting in the obligatory 8 glasses of water a day. It's just about keeping yourself hydrated. Something as simple as sipping water every half hour is the best thing you could do. And if you get bored of water, you always have other healthy options, like tea or fruit-infused water. Keeping yourself hydrated is fundamental to repairing your skin. Jump rope. We said it before, to fight loose skin after losing weight, you have to exercise. And not just any exercise. You'll need high-impact exercise to help strengthen your muscles. It's best to start gradually, or else you could push your body to a level it's not ready for. Try jump roping for 15 minutes at a time, twice a day. It's a great high-intensity activity. Cinnamon tea with honey. Cinnamon with honey is a sensational way to speed up your metabolism, feed your muscles, and strengthen your skin. A tasty way to start the day is by making yourself a simple cup of cinnamon tea with a bit of honey. Try to get organic honey, or at least honey that has no sugar added. Drink this traditional remedy first thing in the morning, at least 30 minutes before breakfast. It will help you in your efforts to firm up loose skin. Aloe vera. Do you know how good aloe vera is for you? We keep learning more benefits of this medicinal plant. However, did you know it's great at treating loose skin after losing weight? Aloe vera is one of the best moisturizers and healers of damaged skin. including stretch marks. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in it are good for those critical areas like your abdomen and arms. All you have to do is massage the area daily with aloe vera gel. Let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse with warm water. Strength training. The exercise below is perfect for firming up loose skin. You'll have to make a real effort and set aside time for this routine if you want to gain muscle tone and fortify the connective tissues of your skin so it can adapt to your new size. One of the most helpful exercises you can do is lift weights. Get to the gym and the instructors will teach you how to work these areas without hurting yourself, especially your joints. If you want to lift weights at home, be careful, respect your limits, and try to work both your arms and abs by combining weights with other exercises. Foods to help your body produce collagen and elastin. To repair loose skin after losing weight, you'll have to give your body the nutrients it needs to recover its firmness and elasticity. Eat foods that will help your body synthesize collagen and elastin, which are two elements healthy skin requires. Tofu, other soy products, beans, carrots, melon, salmon, yogurt, walnuts, kale, arugula. To conclude, we'll remind you once more that when it comes to losing weight, you should do it the healthy way, don't rush, and don't go on restrictive diets that almost always have bad side effects. Loose skin is a common result. However, with these tips, consistency, and willpower, you can get back the firmness and elasticity you want.